Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious hummus salad. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, along with 1/4 cup of tahini. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 minced garlic clove for that essential flavor. Finally, grab 2 tablespoons of olive oil, plus salt and pepper to season your salad perfectly. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic dish. Now, let's create the creamy hummus base for your salad. Start by combining the rinsed chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, and minced garlic in your food processor. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of water. This helps achieve that perfect, smooth consistency. Process the mixture until it's completely creamy, pausing to scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. This step is crucial for a truly delightful texture. With your hummus base ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Carefully transfer the creamy hummus into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Now, gently fold in your favorite fresh vegetables, such as diced cucumbers, halved cherry tomatoes, and a generous amount of chopped fresh parsley. These additions bring wonderful texture and flavor. Taste the salad and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps adding a bit more salt, pepper, or a final squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. Your delicious hummus salad is now complete and ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetable sticks, or as a flavorful side dish. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. And speaking of keeping things fresh, for an effortless way to maintain a clean home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.